The Monday grind continues. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a freebie for you. Yes, it is a freebie, but I'm telling you, when the video is over with, make sure you go download right away for this guy. Change his mind and make it pay, because this watch face is super awesome for what it offers. Now, the name of the watch face is called Gold and White Digital. It's a 12 and a 24-hour watch face. In the always on mode, it has a nice look for both the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. It's going to look slightly different for the Gears 2, but still, you get all your information at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, if you look up at the top, you get info on miles walked around, your calories burned, step info, and it's interactive. So if I need to play my music, send a text message with a single tap, I can. I come down, I get animated seconds, I get my time in digital, which is nice. Day, your date, your month. You come down, you get info on battery percentage, steps, heart rate. Everything you need is right here. This is your battery percentage, and over here is going to be your goal completed. Now, I'm liking what this developer gave us as far as a free watch face for what it offers. I'm loving it. Free? Yes, this is a definite download. All right, you all, don't miss out on this freebie. Make sure you download right away. And with that, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Keep grinding. It will be over with soon.